welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. You are watching Tamara's Hair Care. I hope after watching you will consider subscribing and liking this video. Also, if you are new here, we are on the journey for longer, thicker, and healthier hair, of course guys. So this is a hair care channel, all right? In today's video, we are doing a install and a review on a popular natural hair company, HerGivenHair. So guys, they sent me over this human hair, very beautiful hair, and I am going to install it as well as show you guys how to style it, how to treat it, and you know, everything you need to know about HerGivenHair. So if you're interested in HerGivenHair wigs, please stay tuned guys.
Promote healthy hair growth, treat dandruff and itchy scalp, heal scalp issues, treats bald spot, prevents hair loss, thicken hair strands, strengthens roots, and repairs damaged hair.
Before we jump into the video guys, I am going to show you guys what came inside the box, so you guys can know if you buy this unit or any of their wigs on their website, you will know what you will receive. So guys, HerGivenHair has sent me over one of their popular curly wig with kinky edges. So this is the box it came in, and this is what came inside the box guys. I love the packaging. It just gives me a luxury kind of vibe that I really like. HerGivenHair is a brand that focuses on texture hair, and their products are designed to mimic the true kinky blowout. Kinky 4B, 4C hair textures of natural hair people to maximum extent possibility. HerGivenHair is dedicated to doing natural hair and enhancing the experience of embracing natural textures. So guys, this is the unit. It came well packed, securely packed. So far, I was really excited about this unit. The curls looks amazing. All this needs to be is wash, and the curl will be popping even more. Inside, of course, it came with the 2 clips on the side to secure the wig on your head, as well as the extra strap to fit the wig properly. Look at the edges guys. It's supposed to mimic our natural hair lining. So they sent me over this beautiful unit. Oh my god, this wig is amazing. So here it is, and we have the hair lining. They are famous for natural hair lining. You guys can see that. So I went ahead and washed my wig. So I'm going to show you guys how I wash it. You literally use the same products you use on your natural hair, because this is 100% human hair, all right? So before installing the wig, I am going to go ahead and wash it with one of my favorite shampoo, just to remove any factory scent or dirt that may in the wig. So here I am just wetting the wig along with the shampoo and gently using my hand to squeeze the wig. You don't want to be too harsh now guys, because you don't want to tangle the hair. So be as gentle as possible. And I wash my wig with warm water guys. So after washing and cleansing my wig, quick tips guys: shampoo with moisturizing shampoo, deep condition wig after wash, always use a leave-in conditioner. Keep your wig moisturized using hair cream or oils. So you know, you have the adjustable straps. It's like a bra strap, but yeah, I'm gonna open it and let's put it on our head. In order to achieve our hair care goals, there are many things we have to practice and to be consistent with it so we can see results. I have mentioned this in many of my videos, and that is wearing protective style guys. Yeah, when searching your relaxer or on your hair care journey, protective style is a must, all right? And there are so many different protective styles you can choose from, and wigs are one of the very common and easiest ones. And believe me when I tell you, listen, protective style is one of your best friends on your hair care journey. Oh my god, this wig looks so good. It's not even fixed yet, and it's like looking amazing. I already fixed my face structure already. So we're just gonna secure it with the little pins right here. So that's what I'm trying to do, secure it so it doesn't fall off, because guys, you don't need any glue whatsoever. No glue at all. And this wig, as I mentioned before, is by HerGivenHair. This is actually a very popular hair wig brand or wig company that I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube and TikTok about this hair. And guys, I was really excited when they reached out to me to send me a unit so I could do a review for you guys and let you guys know how I honestly feel about it. And that's why I'm here today, and I'm going to give you guys all my honest review. Oh my god. Okay, so let's clip this up so we can work on the front. Guys, listen, I have never done this before. I have never cut or installed a wig before, okay? So whether you're a naturalista who wants to switch it up without putting stress on your hair, or you're just simply looking for a change, wigs are an incredibly versatile and convenient options to choose. I saw on the videos where they clip the front right here. I'm gonna use this to take away this part. So if you're someone like me that wants to wear a wig as a protective style but doesn't know how to install, pluck, bleach, make baby hair and install wigs properly, this unit, guys, I'm telling you, because I'm not a professional, I'm going to cut right here as well so it's easier, so I don't cut too deep down. So you have to be careful, and you're going to stop where the hair lining starts. Okay. All right. And then we're going to cut it off. So I'm going to cut it as close as to the where the baby hair stops. Listen, I have to be focused, okay? I'm trying to focus. It's like I talk to you guys right now, okay? I gotta stay focused because I've never done this before. But I'm telling you, this unit make it so easy. Like, you could be like, I don't know about you, but I'm literally a handicap when it comes to installing wigs, okay? So this unit makes it very easy for people like me. You know what I'm saying? It's not that neat, but nobody will know, okay? Who'll know? Nobody will. Okay, guys, so I finished cut off the front. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that. So this wig need no glue. You can literally wear it just like this, guys. Like, come on, who will know? You know, who will know it's not your hair? Just want to fix it straight, make sure it's in the center, and no one will know. It literally needs no glue. This literally looks like your natural hair will look like my natural hair. Like, it's not a wig. I feel like if I don't tell people this is a wig, they will not know this is a wig, okay? And to tell you the truth, guys, this is what I really love about this wig, because honestly, I don't know how to install wigs. I have never installed a wig. It looks like it's a lot of work. I don't know how to pluck it. I don't know how to bleach it. And I know there's a lot of people out there that really and truly doesn't know how to install wigs and how to like prep wig to install them. And I'm telling you, this unit is perfect for you. You don't have to do any of that. But for some people would like to be a little more secure, and it feels tight on my head, guys. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off. There's no glue whatsoever, nothing at all. Some people likes to go in with some got-to-be glue and to just secure it, spray it on the front tight down. But I honestly feel like I don't need this right now because it definitely feels tight on my head. This texture is 4C, 4A with kinky edges. Like you guys can see right here, these kinky edges. And this literally looks like our real edges. Well, it looks like when you're natural, it literally looks like that. So you just want to fix right here to make sure it blends right in so nobody knows. Who's gonna know? Who's gonna know? I don't know about you guys, but I personally do not like the fake looking baby hair on wigs. Like, I really don't like it. So I feel like HerGivenHair should get like a round of applause for this nice natural kinky edges. We literally don't have to do anything to it, like literally. So what I'm doing, you can do whatever you want to style the hair. I kind of want it a little more poofier, so I'm trying to like let it a little more like crazy. You can literally do whatever you want with it. The texture is very soft. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna use some water as well as oil to kind of spray the hair, because I kind of want it to, you know, look a little wet, like kind of wet like. And you know, like the more you wet it, the curlier it gets. So that's good. And then we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give you guys some idea of how you can style your, put the got to be glue and like tie it down. Then you can do like updo without this part flipping up. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm saying. But if you're gonna wear it down like this, there's no need to put any got to be glue. So we're gonna go ahead. Oh my god, you see that? I'm wetting it and it's getting poofier, like so nice. This is my new favorite wig. I'm telling you, this is my new favorite wig. Okay, so when I'm tired of my relaxed hair, I can put this on and I'll feel like a natural girl.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room.
So comment down below, let me know how you guys like this hair by HerGivenHair. Like, I'm gonna put all the information of the wig in my description below, so you guys can check out my description so you can know the exact unit. I will also put a link of the exact unit in my description below, and also there will be a discount code in my description below, so you guys just run on down to my description and you see all the information about this unit as well as the direct link to this unit, and also some money off. Of course, your girl got you. I'm gonna ask for some money off for you guys, so go check out my description for all the wig information and everything you need to know about the company. Okay, this is so nice. So guys, of course you can wear it like this, or you can go ahead and style it like you will style your natural hair. So I'm going to show you guys a few little style that you could do, you know, to make it come more alive.
Go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight.
Okay guys, so I came into the bathroom so I could see a little better. So I'm just gonna do like a little twist at the front, nothing fancy.
Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give this wig a try. Believe me, this is my new favorite wig. It takes literally less than 1 minute to put on, and you don't have to do anything to this wig. But I will advise you to wash the wig before installing it, because it do comes with a little factory smell. So you kind of want to, you know, wash it with your shampoo that I showed you guys. Any hair product that you use on your natural hair, you use it to treat your hair. Treat it as if it's your own hair that's going out of your head, okay? And you will be totally fine. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. And of course, thank you to HerGivenHair for sending over this amazing unit that I am obsessed with. I literally, like, this wig made me feel like I know what my hair looks like if I literally go natural. If I go natural, I will know exactly what my afro will be looking like, and I feel like this is it. So of course, thank you so much HerGivenHair. And guys, go ahead and check out their website, and please place your order because you will not regret it. Take it from me. So if you're not like a wig expert like I am, this unit is perfect for you, and you can get, they have it in different length as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe, guys, and I will see you guys in another video, guys. Bye, guys. I am so obsessed.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time,